Yo, what's up everyone? It's Quillverse and we're diving into the world of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the game when it comes to building apps. We're talking smarter, faster, and seriously personalized experiences in pretty much every industry. In this video, we're breaking down the basics of building AI-powered applications step by step, even if you're starting from scratch. So whether you're a coding newbie or a tech enthusiast looking to level up, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock the power of AI together. Let's get it. First things first, what exactly are we talking about when we say AI-powered application? An AI-powered application takes things up a notch. It's like injecting your app with a dose of machine learning or AI algorithms. These algorithms give your app the ability to make decisions, solve problems, and even get better over time. Think about it, chatbots, recommendation systems, and voice assistants. Those are all powered by AI. So yeah, this stuff is everywhere. Now let's talk about data. It's like the fuel for your AI engine. You can't build a powerful AI application without feeding it the right kind of data. It's all about feeding your AI the right ingredients if you want it to cook up something amazing. So, gather, clean, and prepare your data before you start thinking about algorithms or coding. This is where data pre-processing and feature engineering come in. Alright, now that you've got your data game on point, it's time to talk about AI models. These are the algorithms that will actually analyze and learn from your data. You've got a whole bunch of AI models to choose from, and the right one for you depends on what you're trying to achieve. Deep learning models use artificial neural networks to tackle complex tasks like image recognition and natural language processing. Okay, so you've got your data, you've chosen your AI model, and you're ready to unleash your creation upon the world. But where does it actually live? That's where your deployment platform comes in. This could be anything from a website to a mobile app or even a cloud service. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to get your hands dirty with some deployment. Think of it like setting up shop. You're putting your AI out there for everyone to see and use. Now I know what you're thinking, this sounds complicated, man. But hold up, it's not as daunting as it seems. We've got a ton of tools and resources available today that make building AI-powered applications way easier than ever before. Python is like the lingua franca of the AI world, a super versatile programming language that's relatively easy to learn and use. Platforms like TensorFlow and PyTorch provide pre-built libraries and tools for training and deploying your models. And let's not forget about deployment tools like Google Cloud AI or AWS AI services, which help you scale your application and handle all the technical heavy lifting. So, there you have it. The basics of building AI-powered applications, broken down into bite-sized pieces. The world of AI is vast and constantly evolving, but with the right tools and a little bit of curiosity, you can build some pretty amazing things. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beginner-friendly tech guides. We've got a ton of awesome content coming your way, so stay tuned. And hey, if you have any questions or need help starting your AI journey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. Peace out.